I've come here for different reasons. But I think this is my fourth time here for a film promotion. I remember coming here way back, just about a year after Hemlock Society, another film of mine released, which was also incidentally directed by me, called Hawa Badol. Hawa Badoler Junne, I had come here, I remember. I had come here for Obhijan in 2022, I remember that, and now I'm here. I think in between there was another film for which I had come here. I don't exactly remember, but even without a film promotion, I've been to Ailid many times for different events because I think the people, the family the people behind, the brains behind Ailid are people that I really respect, admire a lot. Mr. Pradeep Chopra, someone that I respect very deeply, and Pragya now, who I've known for some time, his daughter, who is running this wonderful institution, and everyone associated with imparting education, especially in the world of media, to these lovely students who surround us today. Ailid ডে আসতে সবসময়তেই ভীষণ 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 ভালো লাগে। এত সুন্দর ইনফ্রাস্ট্রাকচার তৈরি করা হয়েছে এই জায়গাটার মধ্যে, দেখলে ভালো লাগে যে আমাদের শহরে এরকম একটা প্রতিষ্ঠান আছে। Yes, I think Ailid deserves a loud round of applause. Yes, the people running Ailid, the people studying at Ailid, everyone. So that's one thing. And about Kill Bill Society, about Hemlock Society, about Anandakar turning into Mrityunjay Kaur, I must say that from all the films and series that I have done in the last 25 odd years, I think there would be about 5 or 6 characters at the most which have really, really stayed on with me, which have become part of my personality, like the personality that me, the individual, possess now. And I think Anandakar / Mrityunjay Kaur is definitely one of them. Just like Satyaki Sinha, just like Abhijit Pakrashi, or Opur Panchali's Shubir Babu, or for that matter, many other films. But not many. I mean, I've done several films, but not all characters become a part and parcel of your personality as an actor. Anandakar is certainly one of them. I think it is one of the top 5 characters that I've ever played. And so it will always remain very, very, very special. And I wish that day after, when Kill Bill Society releases, and once people start going and watching the film in theaters, I think this sense of permanence that Anandakar enjoys in the hearts of people, in the hearts of the audiences, I really wish and I hope, and I'm pretty confident that it is only going to become even more permanent. Anandakar, in his Mrityunjay Kaur avatar, I think is going to become all the more firmly embedded in the hearts of the watchers, the viewers of Bengali cinema. That's what we hope for. That's what we strive towards. That's what we have worked towards. And we all hope that that happens. So Kill Bill Society releases day after, পরশুদিন শুক্রবার 11 এপ্রিল থেকে তোমাদের সকলের বাড়ির কাছে সিনেমা হলে। অনেক ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে। And now we would like to hear from you. If you have any questions, let's just shoot.